Ever wonder why doctors recommend hyperbaric chamber or stem cell treatment? After entering your body, many stem cells get to work immediately, but few tries to hide and need immediate intervention. Enter the hyperbaric chamber, a pressurized oxygen heaven. Here the air is thicker, like a supercharged smoothie for your cells and stem cells. Extra oxygen enters the body and causes a magical reaction. It induces stem cell activity with nitric oxide, a tiny superhero chauffeur pushing the stem cell to work. The stem cells are now fully charged and ready to go, zooming through your bloodstream like a group of tiny repair robots. The injured area, broken bone, or fatigued muscle is where they start working. They accelerate and strengthen the tissue growth, giving your body the best healing advantage. Even recent studies shows that hyperbaric chamber treatment mobilizes the stem cell to repair the damaged tissue. Now you know why doctors recommend hyperbaric chamber or stem cell treatment.